I'm Boaz. I'm the AI lead at Beewise. What we do in Beewise is we're creating a robot to take care of bees, basically. Bees are very important to humankind. It's very important that we take care of them better than we do today. They suffer from many problems. What Beewise solution tries to do is to kind of have a beekeeper 24/7 around the hive and treating it, making sure it's healthy. So we're doing it through robotics, AI, and vision. And most of our data is vision-based. We're doing it with several things. So one thing is that we want to monitor the beehive health, and person does it, like a beekeeper does it with using mostly his eyes, looking at the combs, their contents, and getting into insights. So we do the same. We create high-resolution images, and then we let a model analyze them. So that's one thing. And the second thing is that we have there, it's a mechanical system, kind of a robot. And we use vision to control it, to move it around and interact with the hive. They're different. Each one has its own challenges. Monitoring the beehives, you have the biological diversity, and some phenomena are very rare, so that's challenging for machine learning models. When you need to control the robots, you need the problem itself is much more engineered on one hand. On the other hand, you need to be correct like 99.999 of the times, because every action is done in a very huge scale, and you need to be very good in order for that to be good enough. Several. In one word, it's mess. We have lots of data, and for some of the tasks, each image has thousands of annotations on one image, and it becomes very big very fast. And I guess we came across the challenges that everyone came across, that the model sometimes is not working as expected, and you're not sure why. And sometimes you discover that some of the annotations are wrong due to all sorts of mistakes. Sometimes the data is not relevant enough for the task. Investigating why is a model not working properly, that's one challenge that we came across now after time. Another is that the number of different tasks that we need to do is growing, and it's become difficult to maintain everything and not have too much copy-paste, which we need to change over and over each time we find problems somewhere. Till we used the DagsHub, we used Airtable, which is not a dedicated tool for ML experimentation and data management for ML experiments. But when it comes to experiment management and data handling, we got to its limits. Like it's not meant for this task. I think the biggest disadvantage is that it's very easy to change things in Airtable, and that's why it's very easy to do mistakes and delete data and edit things that unintentionally, and also that it doesn't support inherently versioning and snapshotting. Like I said before, we have a model that does not work well, and it used to work well, and we're not sure when things changed. We cannot go back easily to previous versions of our datasets and try to understand why things change. It's the reason that we decided to stop using Airtable and look for another tool. And when we saw that this is one of the things that DagsHub are focusing on, so we understood this is the solution to the pain we felt before. The vision data we're working on, some of it is how to monitor the bee colony health. And you need expert data for that. It's not cats versus dogs. You need someone that you need to teach him how to do it for quite a long period until he can get it right. We have an employee, which is a data annotator, lots of what we are doing is actually kind of active learning. She's taking the model she has currently, running it on data we get from the field, seeing where it's wrong, and annotating where it's wrong, and doing another iteration, and so on. And also that is something that DagsHub gives us. Like it says an intuitive UI, similar to Airtable, which lets her to sort, filter the data in any way she needs to at that point, and run the ML lifecycle all on her own. So after an initial stage for any feature we are doing, we leave it to her. So that's another thing that DagsHub enables us to do. Mostly it's the peace of mind that you know and that you can go back to any point in the model training and understanding how to find the data that you're suspecting causes problems. With DagsHub, it's much more easier to get that done, to see on what you trained, to filter the data so you can understand what to focus on and where might be the problem. Ever since we started using DagsHub on the business side, I can say that the pace of improving our models has increased dramatically. It means it takes us much shorter now to improve a specific model we're trying to. On the technical side, it's because work is much clearer, much more streamlined, I would say. That's the reason that we are moving faster now. Yeah, for sure, I would recommend it. I think the reasons why I would is, like I said, it makes our life much easier, allowing us to focus on our main challenges and stop handling lots of issues we had before, or handle them much less. And the other thing is that the DagsHub team is really supported. Every time we come across like something new that will help us, we're getting very responsive help. And it takes you guys a very short time to come up with a solution that some of them are already included in the tool. If it's not, so we feel like we are getting a very helpful response, and it takes DagsHub a very short time to deliver new solution that will help us overcome the new challenge we came across.